Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that your phone is getting hot while charging. So, at first you need to get to know that your phone getting hot while charging is normal, but only when you're using fast charging or when you're using your phone while charging. You shouldn't use your phone while charging, remember that, and if you're using fast charging, it's normal. However, you need to distinguish if your phone overheats. If your phone overheats, it's uncomfortable to use, uncomfortable to hold. It maybe not burns, but it's, you feel that it's very hot, it's unusually hot. You need to do something with it. At first, you need to open the settings in your phone. We need to go there, but I will show you the way in a moment. Yeah. So at first, open the settings. Now head to the battery. Tap battery usage. And here, as you can see, we've got many applications, many system information, etc. Battery usage since full charge. So at first, you need to see the top application, which is here. Here we've got only system once on a system because on a screen actually, because this phone is right after the factory reset. So I don't have here anything. But if you see here non-system application, you need to go back to the main menu of the settings and here go to the apps section. Now open See All Apps. Find this application and here tap permissions. Not permissions, battery right here. Now restrict this application from background activity. Remember that you won't get any notifications or they will be delayed. So that's it when it comes to this section. Apart from that, you need to remember to use original charger and a cable. It doesn't have to be like genuine like from Motorola, but it has to have some certificates. It can't be some Chinese but on AliExpress for 25 cents. You know what I mean. It has to be branded somehow, like Bezos, for example, or some maybe Yogurine, Anchor. You know what I mean. Just buy a certified one, and the same with the cable, and then probably it won't be charged. It won't be overheating. Avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming, but I told you about this, so let's move on. You need to, apart from that, remove the case to improve the heat dissipation from your phone. Here I don't have any case, but if you do, you need to take it off. Charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. Remember to not charge it under a pillow, under a blanket or something like that, and it will be good to go. Let me know if I fixed your issue. Goodbye.